Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the rough opening is plumb and square. Measure width, height, and diagonals. Once measured, trim the jambs to length and dry fit the frame into the opening so you can see how it seats. Use a level on the hinge side and mark high spots. Make small relief cuts where the jamb binds. This early dry fit prevents surprises later, and it shows whether you need to plane wood or add shims before fastening. You fasten the hinge side first, driving long screws through the jamb into studs while checking plumb after each screw. Once the hinge side is stable, shim behind each hinge pocket and at the top corner to hold alignment. Shims control twist and prevent later binding. Then set the latch side with temporary screws, adjust spacing to achieve an even 1/8 inch reveal around the door, and trim the sill or threshold if it rubs. These steps lock the geometry before final screws. You finish by installing the remaining screws through the jamb into studs, then cut and remove any shim tails so they sit flush. Once trim is attached, test the door swing and engage the latch repeatedly. Small adjustments to the strike plate or hinge screws fix minor misalignments. If the door binds, recheck plumb and level, loosen the problem screws, reposition shims, and red-itin. This corrects twist. Make sure you seal gaps with foam.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.